This is a Circle Line train via Paddington and Baker Street. The next station is Westbourne Park.
Here we go. So we have to go out of Paddington. We have to get out at Paddington Station.
The next station is Westbourne Park.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Westbourne Park. This is a Circle Line train via Paddington and Baker Street. The next station is Royal Oak.
Okay. The lids be flying.